back to another mukbang. Today I have enchiladas. I made them myself. Oh shoot, it's all fall off. Look how yummy that looks. So let's dig in. How's everybody's morning, noon, night, or whatever it is at the time you're watching this? I hope you're having an awesome one. How did everybody's day go? I went back to work today. I didn't go yesterday. I wasn't feeling good. Woke up feeling like crap. I don't know what was wrong with me. But I went back today and whew, it was one of them days. It was busy. There was so much stuff to do, and tomorrow I still have a lot of stuff to do. So yeah, it's going to be a busy week this week. Who wants a bite? Oof, yummy. I don't know if I have anything to talk about. This might be more of a eating video instead than anything else. And I do have my, I think it's strawberry lemonade. Yay! Ooh, it smells so good. Like strawberries. Ooh, that smells so good. If y'all have not tried Minute Maid strawberry lemonade, it is good. Y'all need to try it. It is yummy. I would like to thank all my new subscribers that have subscribed to me. I really appreciate y'all subscribing. This one's going to be a short video. Sorry, guys. Kind of sucks, like when you try to do something. When you're trying to do something and you have everything set up, everything's going, and something always has to happen. Does that happen to y'all? Like everything's going good, and there's always that one thing. Something always happens. And then it eats at you. Right. What am I supposed to do now? Or how am I supposed to fix this? Or, you know, do you understand what I'm saying? That's crazy. Oh my God, y'all should have saw it whenever I got off of work today. I got off at later than what I usually get off at. And the traffic, the cars, oh my God, I should have recorded it. It was like cars coming left and right, people trying to cut in front of you, cut in back of you, trying to hit you just to get in line. I'm like, I'm never coming at this time ever again. I was like, no way. These people were driving like freaking maniacs. It was like, there was a truck in front of me, and I was going right. I wasn't that close to it, and I started moving so I could get closer to it. And here comes this truck and just tries to slide right in, and I'm like, "Are you serious?" And then so the guy knew I got pissed because I was like right on his ass. Yep, I was right on his ass because I was pissed. And well, anyways, we got closer to the light, or we were getting closer to the light, and here comes another. It was like a big old Suburban. Comes, and the truck is right here. The Suburban's coming. He tries to get in front of the truck, right? And the truck's like, I guess the truck was like, hell no, you know. So the truck and that Suburban were like this, close. And then that truck went ahead, and then the Suburban got real close to me. I'm like, forget you. So I went in front of the Suburban, and the guy behind us let him in. Which the Suburban should have just waited in line like everybody else. That line that we were in, I'd say it was about a mile to 2 miles long, waiting their turn to come to our town. It was crazy. It was like freaking like a war zone. That's what it felt like, driving in that traffic. I was like, I'm not leaving that. What time did I leave? 5:30? I got to that light. Yeah. Yeah, about 5:40 when I got to that light. And it was like smashing. Everybody just trying to get in and out, swerving, in and out, in and out. And I'm like, dude, these freaking people. And that's why people have accidents, because they're just so in a hurry just to get home or get wherever they're going to get. They're not even worried about nobody else. Just like that Suburban. I came so close to hitting that truck. It didn't even care. It didn't even try to move over or anything. That truck is the one that had to move up, because if he didn't, that truck would have hit him. That Suburban would have hit him. And then like me, he got the same way with me. I was like, forget you, dude. Everybody else is sitting here waiting for their turn to get to the light, and these other people are coming like, oh well, I don't have to wait. I can just cut in line. Yeah, if you cause an accident. It was like, dumbasses, man. Mind you, the cop was like right back here. There's like a little town. And I was sitting right by the railroad tracks, talking to somebody. Not doing nothing, just talking. Which the cops should have been paying attention to the cars and seeing how they were driving and how they were going in and out of traffic and almost hitting people. I bet you anything somebody got hit. I bet you anything. Well, guys, I hope y'all like my little video that I just made. I know it wasn't that long. I know I didn't really talk that much. I was mainly eating. But, yeah. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. Subscribe if y'all haven't already. Make sure y'all hit that bell so y'all get notified whenever I post a video. I hope everybody's having a good morning, good night, good evening, or whatever it is at the time you're watching this. I hope you are having an awesome one. And until my next video, bye.